unboxing the FIFINE H9 headset. If you guys want to check this out, there's Amazon links below, but let's get this unboxed. I've used FIFINE's like mics before. They're pretty well known for that, having like some pretty amazing budget mics, but this is gonna be a first for its headset. We've got a user manual here, pretty basic packaging. It seems like you could just kind of move around in the box, but interesting. Accessories, letting you know that it's accessories. We've got a braided cable with some, looks like a 7.1 switch, surround sound switch, and then we've got mic and headset volume. That is very cool. You can tell it's mainly a mic company because they add the mic controls there. Then we have a mic mute switch on and off. That's actually really nice, and a nice clip there. That's very, very cool, and it's USB Type A. Also in the box, we have the mic with, looks like no like foam filter over it. So yeah, and it's so funny. They put all those other holes, but it's just one hole for the mic. That's so funny. But it does stay exactly where you put it, which is really, really nice. But let's get the actual headset out of here. I don't actually hate that. That looks kind of clean. It's the same on both sides. This is plastic. These are metal up here, and they feel, again, pretty standard. It's got a nice click when those are adjusted, but that feels like pretty much your basic stuff. Decent amount of twist, not a ton. These feel firm, but still soft, but they're firm. So they push out quite a bit, not like memory foam. The top seems a little bit softer. I'm just gonna put these on my head really quick. I just put them on my head, and yeah, they actually are fairly comfortable, although the bottom doesn't seal as much as I would like to. Maybe I didn't just fully adjust them. We have a long cable out here, not braided or anything, but overall, yeah, I mean, it looks decent, but the build quality, it seems to be good. Like here, it's all metal. It seems to be good where it's needed, but nothing crazy going on here.
Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.